Hello everyone, this is Nidhi and you can start your IBPS AFO preparation with www.agriguru.in. And today we are going to discuss the topic on classes of seeds. Under this, we are going to see the definition of seed classes and the difference between certified seed and truthfully labeled seed. Generally, there are four recognized classes of seeds, namely breeder seed, foundation seed, registered seeds and certified seed. The basis of all this seed is nucleus seed. First, we'll go with definition of seed classes. Nucleus seed. Nucleus seed should consist of 100% genetical purity along with the physical purity. It is produced by the original breeder or institute or state agricultural university from basic nucleus seed stock. A pedigree certificate, which is nothing but a family tree certificate which consists of 4 to 5 generations of the plant, is issued by the producing breeder. Next is breeder seed. It is a progeny of nucleus seed. It is multiplied in large area as per intent of Department of Agriculture and Cooperation, Ministry of Agriculture, Government of India, under the supervision of plant breeder or institute or state agricultural universities. And this is monitored by a committee consisting of a representative of state seed certification agency, national or state seed corporations or ICAR nominee and concerned breeder. This is also 100% physical and genetic pure seed for production of foundation seed, and the tag color for this is golden yellow color certificate. Next is foundation seed. It is a progeny of breeder seed. It is produced by recognized seed producing agencies in public and private sector, and this is cultivated under supervision of seed certification agencies in such a way that its quality is maintained according to prescribed field seed standards, and the tag color for foundation seed is white color. Next is registered seed. It is a progeny of foundation seed. It is also handled as to maintain its genetic identity and purity according to standards specified for a particular crop being certified, and the tag color for registered seed is purple. Next is certified seed, the progeny of foundation seed. It is produced by registered seed growers under supervision of seed certification agencies to maintain the seed quality as per minimum seed certification standards, and the tag color for certified seed is blue. The foundation and certified seeds can be multiplied at a stage 1 and 2, and it cannot exceed after 3 generations, that is after breeder seed. Difference between certified seed and truthfully labeled seed. Certified seed certification is voluntary and the quality is guaranteed by the certification agency. But in case of truthfully labeled seeds, truthful labeling is compulsory for notified kind of varieties, and here the quality is guaranteed by producing agency. In case of certified seed, it is applicable to notified kinds only, but in case of truthfully labeled seed, it is applicable to both notified and released varieties. In case of certified seed, it should satisfy both minimum field and seed standards, but in truthfully labeled seeds, it is tested only for physical purity and germination. Seed certification officer, seed inspectors can take samples for inspection in certified seeds. Seed inspectors alone can take the samples for checking the seed quality in truthfully labeled seeds. And these are the overview of this presentation. That is, from the seeds, they will produce nucleus seed, then is breeder seed, then is foundation seed, then is registered seed, then finally ends with certified seeds. The color of breeder seed, tag color is golden yellow, and in case of foundation seed, it is white color, and in case of registered seed, it is purple color. In case of certified seed, it is blue color. And these are the tags as I mentioned in the previous slides. And with the above explanations, can you find what color tag it is? And you can comment it in comment section. Thank you. You can start your IBPS AFO preparation with www.agriguru.in, and you can find all these PDFs available in AgriLearner application, and the link for application is given in the description.